Dear students, today we will revise chapter 7. Open your book, page number 112. Name the plane figures. It has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. And opposite sides are equal. With this side is equal. And with this side is equal. So it is a rectangle. It has 4 sides and 4 sides are equal. So it is a square. It has one curved side and no corners. It is a circle. It has 3 sides. Triangle. It also has 3 sides. Triangle. This is a rectangle. Why? Because it has 4 sides and opposite sides are equal. With this side is equal. So it is a rectangle. This is a square because like this one, it also has 4 sides and all the sides are equal. So this is a square and this is an oval. It has one curved side and no corners. So square has 4 sides, 4 corners. Rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners. Triangle has 3 sides, 3 corners. And circle has 1 side, 0 corners. Which of the following has the maximum number of sides? Circle, square, triangle. Circle has only one curved side. Square has 4 sides. And triangle has 3 sides. So square has maximum number of sides. Which of the following doesn't have straight sides? Circle, because circle has only one curved side. Which of the following has no corners? Oval. Oval has no corner. What shape do these have? The face of the sun, sphere, blackboard, rectangle, top of teacher's table, rectangle, a page of this book, rectangle, top of your pencil box, rectangle, wheel of your bicycle, circle, and surface of a sandwich is triangle. Look at the pictures above. Fill in the blanks with the words plain, curved, or straight. A football has curved face. This is a football. It has curved face. A toy engine has both flat and curved surface. Curved surface and flat surface. Flat surface or flat face are similar. See, a book has flat faces and straight edges. Flat faces and this line is called edges. A rolling pin has curved faces and curved edges. Curved faces and curved edges. Properties of solid shapes. This is a cube. All sides in a cube are equal. Every face is a square. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. This is a cuboid because here opposite sides are equal and every face is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. A cuboid also has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Cube and cuboid both has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. This is a cylinder. A cylinder has 3 faces. There are 2 plain or flat faces and 1 curved face. This is called plain face and the remaining portion is called curved face. How many edges does it have? 2 edges. This is a cone. A cone has plain surface and a curved surface. This is plain surface and the remaining portion is curved surface. It has only one edge. This one is edge. One corner. The corner is also called a vertex. This is a sphere. Sphere has no edges or corners. It only has a curved surface. This is curved surface. Look at the objects and write down their shapes. This is sphere. This is cuboid because opposite sides are equal. This one is ball. This is also sphere. This is candle. It is like cylinder. So write down cylinder. And this one is cone. Like this one. So the name of this figure is cone. This is also cone. And this one is cube because all sides are equal. Party hat, cone, tube light, cylinder, matchbox, cuboid, earth, sphere. Write down the number of corners. Cube 8 corners, cuboid also 8 corners, cylinder 0, cone 1 corner, sphere 0. Write down the number of edges. Cube 12, cuboid 12, cylinder 2, cone 1, sphere 0. Do the following have plain faces, curved face or both? Cube only plain faces, cuboid plain faces, cylinder both, cone both, sphere curved faces. So thank you children and all the best for your half yearly examination.